Okay, so here I am underneath my Silverado 1500, and I'm not really a mechanic, but I'm trying to do shit to save me some money. And I broke this bolt that holds the pin in, just like 100 other people online. So I was like, shit, I was sitting there trying to crank it up to whatever, 80 or 90 foot-pounds. That's ridiculous for this little thing. But either way, this fucking twisted off with all the threads in there, almost. And so I was like, fuck, now I'm fucked. So you sit there and watch a bunch of videos, and almost every single one of them, they're buying the kit to get this fucking thing out, or they're making their own kit. Sorry for cussing. But finally I saw one guy, he just had a little pick, and he was sitting there turning it with the little pick without doing anything. So I thought, well, what the hell, I might as well try it. And so what do you know, even though I had 90 pounds of the pressure on this thing turns. So I'm going to get it out like this. So I just thought I'd make a video to add one more to the, so you don't have to buy a kit. I ordered a kit, but I just went and canceled it when I saw this thing was turning. So it'll turn if I get the right bite on it, but it's looser than I thought it would be. So you might not have to buy the kit. Just check this first and see if you can turn it somehow.